Hello everybody, this is Jhilmild. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my summer makeup. So it's not the daily makeup that I do during summers. It's for the times that I go out. I have to go for events or for for a get-together or a function or something like that. So my makeup is very light during this time, and I don't layer up things as usually I like to do. I just go for a lightweight foundation or even CC creams and a little bit of shimmery rose gold or lavender kind of shade on my lids, and a liner, mascara, a pink blush, and a dark lipstick. Of course, a matte dark lipstick is always with me. For this particular look, I have used the lipstick Diva from MAC. This is the lipstick. It's the Diva. It's a very popular shade, and this is the one. It's a very beautiful dark brownish burgundy shade. It's really pretty. It looks good on all kind of complexions, especially mine kind of complexion, which is medium skin tone. If you want to buy this lipstick, you can go ahead and check at notino.co.uk. Comes in the range of MAC matte lipsticks. So there are a lot of MAC matte lipsticks on notino.co.uk. You can go ahead and pick your shade. Direct link will be given in the description box below. Please go ahead and check. So yes, if you want to see how I have created this look, please keep on watching the video.
Yeah, we said we let it go, but we settled for the last. Couldn't let you want it though. Who am I to let you down? No, who am I to let you down?
Yes, that was my summer makeup look, the kind of look that I generally do for events or functions, or going out while going out. So hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.